Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 7.4. Let's look at the first subdivision, integral of e power x into a plus b e power x the whole power 6 dx. So whatever is the expression here, a plus b e power x, well, let's substitute as t. So a plus b e power x is equal to t means b e power x dx is equal to dt. We already have a e power x dx, so let's find the value. E power x dx is equal to dt divided by b. Now let's substitute it back in the integration. So this is t to the power 6. E power x dx will be replaced with dt divided by b. So b is a constant, so I'm taking it out. So 1 by b integral t power 6 dt. So now that you integrated, this will become 1 by b t power 7 by 7 plus c, or t to the power 7 divided by 7b plus c. Now let's replace the value of t here. So this is going to be a plus b e power x the whole power 7 divided by 7b plus c. Now let's look at the second subdivision. The second subdivision, it is integral of log x the whole squared by x dx. So we're going to put the log x as t. So log x is equal to t means 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So this expression dx by x will be replaced with dt. Now let's put that in the integration. So it is integral t squared dt. So directly you can integrate. So this is t cube by 3 plus c. Let's put back the value of t, which is going to be log x. So this is log x the whole cube by 3 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.